They simply cannot stop. 1 hour of downtime on one of these lines means tens of thousands of euros. 2,000 boxes per minute are 12,000 boxes in just 1 hour. So it's absolutely essential to have a product that functions properly. 3D printing has helped us to create a much better product and to improve significantly in two key aspects. Firstly, in terms of safety. And secondly, it allowed us to create a product that is more efficient and faster. It weighs 10 times less than that one. In other words, it has 10 times less inertia than a mechanism constructed from aluminum components. It's remarkably simple to design a highly intricate component. Drawing a specific part to be manufactured in a mechanical workshop is quite complicated with fundamental rules you cannot ignore. However, 3D design allows you to create whatever your imagination more or less leads you to imagine. One of the fundamental advantages of using 3D technology is that the customer can actually print the parts themselves. We actively promote this. Furthermore, Bambu Lab printers are incredibly fast, meaning that printing a replacement part of a certain size can be a job that takes just about an hour. Right? We promote it. For us, it's an added advantage, okay? It's an added value we provide the client. We give them the drawings, there's a confidentiality agreement, and if that plate breaks, they can go to the printer and in an hour print it and replace it. And it's not just about this part. All are relatively inexpensive components, so they can build up their own stock of spare parts depending on how much the machine is being used, and they keep their own little warehouse of spare parts already set up and ready according to their specific needs. The customer's benefit, obviously, is very short downtime because they have all the necessary spare parts, you see, all there on a shelf.